This is the Vintage Coach Bantam Bag, style number 4152. It's from the Soho series and it was made in 1995 in the US. And as you can see, it's in the color black. And it's called Bantam Bag, but as you can see, it's actually a little backpack. So when we turn it over, it's got these two adjustable straps, or backpack straps, as you can see. And they attach here to this bottom part of the bag. So it's just a cute little backpack, and the front has this magnetic snap closure. So the bag opens up like that. Here's what the sides look like, and then here's the back again. And it does have this top locker loop or handle, and it's got a matching two-sided hang tag. And then when we open up the bag, it's got this little closure here, this little snap closure. Then we can open the bag once we open that snap closure. And so here's what the inside looks like. It does have this little pocket here that hangs on the inside with a zip closure here. So it does have that one little pocket so you can keep some items separate, which is nice. That's on the interior of the bag. And then of course it's got the Coach Creed as well. It's a little bit hard to pick up on video very well. So here's a close-up photo so you can see the Creed a little bit better. So that's the Bantam Bag style 4152, this little miniature backpack, and it is available now in our online store. So if you're looking for a bag like this or wanted to check it out further, the link will be below in the description box. But otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.